Dude, what are we doing at this old abandoned warehouse?
Oh, I'm just so freaked up about that lady.
Lydia, why have we come to this hilltop?
My argument with that young man has upset my heart a great deal.
But whatever will you do about it?
Well, I'm afraid it's rather hard to explain.
There's literally no way that you or anybody else could understand this. But sometimes
when I get this upset, I just need to be alone.
The only way that I can work through these feelings is to dance about them. I'm sure that nobody else has ever done this, least of all my newly discovered enemy, in which we live.
Oh, I mean, you said we could hang out, but yeah, do this instead.
Okay, that's lovely. Lovely enough to leave 7 unattended children up here in the wilderness.
All right, Kevin, time to dance out these feelings so you don't do nothing worse with them.
All right, Lydia, remember what they taught you. Think only about positive things. Do not go to that dark, angry, possibly evil place. That's rubbish.
I remember that. It made me angry.
Morgan, you've got to calm down. I, the principal of this school, won't allow it.
Hey man, you don't know me. You don't at all.
He didn't.
I guess we have to kill Lydia.
I don't remember saying that.
A snow-covered rainbow, a sun-splattered ocean, a phone call to tell you you got a promotion, a dog in a top hat, the TV show side. These are examples of things that I like. Lydia. Cleanest white socks all warmed up in the dryer, spit on the face of a traitorous liar, a head start on homework, a head on a spike. All more examples of things that I like.
This isn't an exact quote, but dancing is bad, and so are you, Kevin.
No, I'm not.
I'm sorry, Kevin, but I'm a doctor, and it looks like your mom is dead.
Oh, no.
Singing and dancing have been enemies since the beginning of time, and one must be destroyed.
I never said that.
But you thought I had.
No, I didn't.
Well, you're thinking it now.
Maybe.
The coziest blanket I'm currently knitting, exacting exactly which vengeance is fitting, planning for battle and waiting to strike. These are some things that I try not to like. No, Lydia! Bad!
I just thought I should bring an end to all singing.
I never thought that. This isn't a flashback.
That doesn't make it not true.
It makes it exactly that.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Singing is a plague of society that can only be cured by dancing and a bit of killing.
That's not a bad point, but no.
My #1 album, which I would get fame from, being unsure of just where